Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so what I'm going to do is attempt to walk you through this process. I don't have my stylus with me, so I'm going to have to use my finger to actually write a couple notes here and there. This is going to be your ticket to tomorrow's discussion, and although it looks fairly self-explanatory, I want to point out a few things. So let's start with summary. So we're going to start over here. So this here, basically all you're going to do is for the reading, you're going to include 10 points of summary. So for example, I don't actually have the book in front of me, but for example, one, Chris, and this is something key that happens, Chris burns his money, okay? And then you're going to include the page number. So let's say it's on page 54. Okay? So you're going to do that for 10 events in the reading for tomorrow. Okay? So that's just basically kind of answering that question, what happened? The next thing you're going to do is you're going to locate 7 vocab words that are maybe a little bit or a lot unfamiliar to you. So maybe you see a word like analysis, and it's on page 47, and you provide the definition to break down and explain how it works. Okay? Key passages. Now there are going to be 5 of these, and the key passages may be the same for some people and different for other people. So that's all really going to depend on what you believe to be interesting, what you believe to be worth talking about. So for those 5 passages, what you can do is include basically like the first 3 words of the passage, then a dot, 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 and then the last 3 words of the passage, and then be sure you include, again, the page number. Okay? Now over here, you're going to find 5 passages where Krakauer uses some obvious appeals and or tropes and schemes. And you're going to include those here in the same way with the dot, 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 and with the page number. Okay? And then over here, you're going to include 5 questions. If you don't have any questions, then you're not really reading. Okay? So it's really important that as you're reading, you note the things that you wonder about. There's a 2-sided sheet of this right on the stool, which Mr. Gohl will give to you. I'm also going to include an electronic copy within Classroom. That way, if you'd rather type it up, you can do that. And if you write really big and you want to recopy this on another sheet, that's fine, as long as you cover these headings. So this will be your ticket into the discussion tomorrow. If you have any questions, please email me right now. Okay? Probably will be able to access it on my phone at this address, southredford.net. Email me if you have questions. Email me if you have questions. Appreciate it.